Hello and welcome to 156 Coloma Way in Vallejo, California. I'm standing at the entrance to this lovely 3-bedroom, 2-bath home looking at the remodeled kitchen. As we pan left, we can see that the kitchen has been opened to the dining area, which has been opened into the living room. The home features a fireplace and upgraded wood floors. Let's go see the kitchen. As you can see, the kitchen features stainless steel appliances and new cabinetry. A center island with cooktop and a bar area. Let's see the bedrooms. The first room we see in the back is the children's room. Which is light and bright and features track lighting. Upon entry to the master bedroom, you'll notice the new neutral paints and the bright sunny window. Let's look at the master bath. The master bath has been partially upgraded with lovely travertine tile. The owners have not yet finished the shower stall. All supplies are here and we're just waiting for your expert touch. You can see the wood floor extends off the hallway into the third bedroom, which is being used as an office. Well, thanks for visiting Coloma Way, and we hope to see you soon. Bye now.